In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, choose the right project, and download a clean file you can use for reporting, analysis, or sharing. Start by going to the Asana login page and signing in. I'm using Continue with Google because it's quick and secure. Click Continue with Google, then select your Google account to proceed. If you're prompted to confirm access, approve it to complete the sign-in. You'll land on your Asana workspace. Next, open the project you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct project, since the export will only include data from the one you've selected. If you have multiple projects with similar names, double-check the header to confirm you're in the right place. At the top of the project view, look for the Actions menu. It's the small arrow down icon near the project name. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Export or Sync. This is where Asana gathers the export options for your project data. You'll first choose what you want to export. Select between project tasks or time entries. Project tasks will include the tasks themselves along with standard fields like name, assignee, due dates, and completion status. Time entries, when available in your plan and workspace, include the time tracked against tasks. Pick the option that matches your reporting needs. Now choose your file format. CSV is a universal, plain text format that works well if you plan to import data into other tools or do heavy data manipulation. XLSX is an Excel workbook and is great if you want a ready-to-open spreadsheet with structured columns. If you're collaborating with people who use different analytics tools, CSV is often the safest bet. If most of your team works in Excel, XLSX can save a step. You'll then see the option to select which custom fields to include. Custom fields become columns in your export. Select only what you need to keep your file clean and focused, or include everything if you prefer to filter later in your spreadsheet. Remember that even if a custom field is empty for some tasks, the column can still be helpful for consistency. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Export. Asana will compile the file, which may take a moment for larger projects. Your browser should begin downloading the file automatically. You can then open it from your Downloads folder and start analyzing or sharing it. That's it. Log in, open your project, use the Actions menu, choose Export or Sync, set your content and format, pick your custom fields, and export. You now have a clean snapshot of your Asana data, ready for your reports and dashboards.